Hello, welcome back. I just wanted to show you guys a few accessories, winter accessories I got from YesStyle. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite thing. I don't know when I'm gonna be wearing this, but I got this bear hat, and to be honest, it's the fucking cutest thing I've freaking owned. I don't know, it is so cute. I don't know what else to say. I thought that it was gonna be really small, and I have a big head, so I really took a risk. I don't know if they have different sizes, but I will link it down below, whichever size I got. And if there's one thing you should know about me, is that I hate the cold and I hate winter, so I'm hoping that this is gonna make it better. I got another bear hat, but it's like more of a scarf. It is so cute. Then you wrap it around like this, and then like if I still had school in the winter, I would definitely wear this every single day. You know, the best part about this is that you can wear this outside, but once you get in school and you have to go study at the library and you're freaking tired, you can just use this as like a pillow. Honestly, that's what I would do. I would like wrap this like this in the library and I would just fall asleep. So I got myself a bucket hat. I just don't know if I like the color. I feel like I should have gotten a white one. I don't think I look good in hats, but these winter hats, I don't know if I'm just trying to hype myself up because it's a winter and I'm really depressed, or these accessories actually look good. I got myself a beret. Unfortunately, I find that it looks so bad on me. I have to stop thinking that berets look good on me. Like, I got a black one from YesStyle and I loved it. And I took so many pictures in that beret. And then a few months later, I look at the pictures and I'm like, I look ridiculous. It doesn't look good on me. Is it cute? I got this next item and it is life-changing. It will probably make your winter so much better. And the fact that I never thought about this throughout my 23 years of living on Earth, I'm pretty disappointed. I bought a pair of nude fleece leggings, and I honestly wish it was a bit more fleece, but I'm still very happy. Look, this is the inside. And basically what you're gonna do is every time you want to wear a skirt or a dress and you're scared that you're gonna be cold, do not worry. Put on a pair of nude fleece leggings, and obviously it's not gonna look like your skin. So what you're gonna do is wear a pair of black tights or even nude tights over it, and it's gonna look like you're just wearing tights, and no one's gonna know that you have another thick ass layer of skin under. And it's just perfect because you will not freeze and you will look good and no one can say shit about it, you know? Because you're not freezing your ass off. You're actually smart. So that was my little winter life hack for you guys. I've seen it all over TikTok, so I'm pretty sure that most of you guys already know about this. Honestly, I don't think I'm hopping into the trend because I used to wear leg warmers in high school when we had to wear skirts and I would be freezing, so I would always wear leg warmers. In that time it was not trendy, but there's a bunch of things that I used to do in high school that were not trendy and I got laughed at for, and now they're like, now everyone's doing it. Anyways, I got myself some leg warmers. I don't know how I'm styling this yet, but probably with like skirts, or I mean anything you want, honey, anything you like. Got another knit item, which is just like a shrug. I've already gotten the black one before and I really like it, so I got myself this. Alright, last thing I got is this Spot RX cream. a red spot care cream that suits blemishes and keeps your skin clear. There's 10% niacinamide, which I know is good for my skin because I have really oily skin, and 7% zinc, which is also good for oily skin. Yeah, so like it says, it's just to calm and fade away red spots. I have a lot of red spots, like when I'm stressed out, when I don't sleep enough, when I have basically school. So I got myself this, and hopefully it's just gonna help my skin. And before anyone says anything about my skin looking good, first of all, I'm wearing makeup, so of course you're gonna think that I have good skin. Actually most Asians are blessed with amazing skin. My skin is decent. I still have to work on it. Like, I'm constantly maintaining it. There's not a day that I don't do my skincare, you know? So definitely, I'm pretty sure that this is gonna help my skin. So this was actually pretty long. I think it will just be one single video for these winter accessories. If you like this type of video, let me know in the comments down below, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I will be, guys, I will be so active this winter. I promise. I think I promise every single winter. The semester that just ended was the most horrible 3 months of my life because of so many things, and it includes school, but it was so bad that school was just a tiny part of it. I had so much shit going on, and it made me realize that life is so fucking short, and I don't want to waste it doing things that don't make me happy. And literally the past 3 months I've been doing shit that just did not make me happy at all, and I've been waiting for it to end so I can kind of restart. This is a new start. I set myself new goals, and I'm just ready to focus and to work on myself. And it includes content creating because I love doing that, and I want to vlog more too. My life is not interesting, but I want to romanticize and just be able to capture best moments in my 20s. And yeah, I just want to vlog. I'm gonna vlog more. You're gonna see a bunch of vlog. But yeah, so that's what I'm planning on doing, and I hope you guys will stick around and be able to see all of this. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!